Hey guys, welcome back to today's video, and if you're new, you're also welcome as well. So today we're going to be building Peter Sripol Mk4 plane, an RC version of it, and we'll be using foam board to build it. So first things first, I will try not to make this video too long, and the first thing we'll be doing now is the fuselage. So stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end. Now we have all the fuselage parts cut out already. What I'm going to do now is to start gluing them together. So I'm going to be using a wood glue. Here is a wood glue. So it cures slowly but works best, and it can be sanded. So I have the vertical stabilizer and the horizontal stabilizer glued down, so I'm waiting for them to cure. Then we can move to the next phase by using bamboo skewers to make the wing mount. Okay, time to give it some painting spray. Okay guys, I just finished painting the fuselage body with red paint. So I'll be adding the black design at the front, then proceed to the next step. Alright, looking nice already. Whoa. Yeah, this is what we have now. The fuselage is fully painted and the wing mount is finally glued down to the fuselage. Okay, I'm done with the first wing. Then I'll just go ahead and sand the second wing over there. As you can see, it's pretty easy on how I cut A4 shape with straight wing platform. Yeah, pretty simple. Let's continue. The plane is almost ready. So I have the wing attached down with CA glue and screws, and I've installed the control servos with the push rod. Everything is almost ready, just to make the landing gear and the tail wheel. Then we should be good to go. This is my landing gear now, it's ready. As you can see, I used some nuts and bolts to hold them down, and it rolls pretty fine. So we mount it on the wing, on the fuselage now. Oh, you're still watching? If you made it this far, consider hitting that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my new video. Thank you.
Turning to the right all by itself. I need to train my aileron. Okay, I think it's a little bit better. Just want to climb. It's just climbing. You see this so balanced that you have to do a low pass. I'm trying not to speed too much. Okay, that's about okay.
Don't crash it too.
Please take pictures there.
It wants to go up.
See, this is even full power yet.
How many percent?
50.
This one is 50 like this.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'll do a low pass now to take pictures.
Okay.
Alright, let me do it for landing now.
Be careful with that too.
Yeah, I'll try my best. This thing is too sweet to fly.
Be careful with that gun. Thank God.
Another one.